Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Combine 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon dried parsley in a bowl. This forms the sweet salty backbone of the mix. Whisk the dry ingredients until evenly blended and no lumps remain, which helps the powders hydrate uniformly when mixed with oil and vinegar. Measure by level tablespoons for consistent flavor and texture every time, and scrape the sides of the bowl so everything is incorporated. This simple base keeps shelf stability and lets you adjust later for salt or sweetness. Add 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried basil, and 1 tablespoon dried minced onion to build classic Italian herb character. Stir in 2 teaspoons garlic powder and 2 teaspoons onion powder for savory depth that disperses quickly when whisked into liquid. Crush large flakes gently to balance texture with the powdered spices and ensure no single herb overpowers a bite. Taste a half teaspoon dissolved in water. Adjust by increasing oregano or reducing salt to match personal preference before final packaging. To make dressing, whisk 3 tablespoons mix with 1/2 cup olive oil and 1/4 cup white wine vinegar for a classic ratio that balances fat and acidity. This recipe yields about 1/2 cup mix, enough for 6 batches. Store in an airtight jar away from heat and light, and use within 6 months for best flavor. Shake or whisk the dressing again before serving to recombine separated oil and spices, and optionally add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard for emulsification if you want a thicker finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.